To learn more about how to set the Sabbath mode on your single-door refrigerator or freezer, here are our top tips. Sabbath mode is a feature that disables portions of the appliance in accordance with the weekly Sabbath and other religious holidays within the Orthodox Jewish community. To enter Sabbath mode, simultaneously press and hold both the minus and temperature keys for 5 seconds. SB will appear on the appliance control display indicating that Sabbath mode is on. To exit Sabbath mode, simultaneously press and hold the minus and temperature keys for 5 seconds. The appliance control display will show all icons. Here are some things to keep in mind when your appliance is in Sabbath mode. While in Sabbath mode, neither the lights nor the appliance control display will work. The appliance stays in Sabbath mode in the event of a power failure. It can be deactivated with the buttons on the control panel. The high temp alarm will remain active for health reasons. For example, if the door is left open for a period of time, the high temp alarm will signal. Once the door is closed, your refrigerator or freezer will function normally, without any violation of the Sabbath or holidays. For more information and tips, reference your use and care manual or visit us online on the Electrolux website. For better living, Electrolux.